Hi, it's me. Like, listen, I've been casually just sort of preparing for my trip today, doing bits and pieces around the house. I need to obviously get a shower, get changed. I've just been to the gym, coming back, but this has arrived. What's that, you may ask? Well, this is something that can actually change my life. Let me show you. This is a set of made-to-measure stuff. Let me just put you there and I'll show you what's inside. I think I'm doing it wrong. So you can tell it's sort of half finished. You can see all sorts of different things. Okay, what's up next is this big box. This is what it looks like. So all my made-to-measure business is going to be based around sort of test measurements. So I'm going to take a jacket or trousers and then I'll sort of fit that on someone and adjust it because of that. So it's not going to be purely bespoke. I'm not going to be taking measurements, body measurements. My measurements are going to be based around this. 4 of them unpacked. 4 more to go. I also got myself a brand new white shirt. So let's try it. Okay, so this is a men's finest shirt. I can see straight away that I would have to probably adjust the wrist slightly because it gives me that sort of too much feel here, too much gap. But I can move the buttons. So I've got monograms on both. One says men's finest. The other one says Michael, so that's fine. The length is good through the body. It's amazing. Yes, let's try the suit. My second thought is that the choice of lining is rather scary, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. So, first of all, I'm going to try the jacket. So the jacket is where it's at, because if the jacket is wrong, the entire suit is wrong. So let's just have a look through the body. Feels good. How does it look? So what I asked them to do is making sure that the sleeves are rather slim, so you can see that there isn't that much room in his sleeve anyhow, so that's interesting. Also, I like the fact that sort of your monograms kind of sticking out, so that's what you should have, sort of side adjusters. Let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure that I've asked also for the buttons for the fishtail. You can see little fishtail at the end. I'm sure I've asked for the buttons there, but I obviously didn't because they didn't put it on. Wow, these are not off. These are just made for me. Guys, I'm so happy you were part of this very quick unboxing of my new made-to-measure suit. I'm gonna be right now enjoying it for next sort of 24 hours to see how I feel about wearing it, and what do I think about the look and the window pane and the joy it gives me. So OMG, you will see me wearing this a lot more. Thank you so much for being part of this very short unboxing of my new made-to-measure suit. I didn't plan this. I just decided to switch the camera on because I could not wait to show you and to see myself how I'm gonna look and feel in this new suit. Amazing feeling. We just had a visit from a friend of ours who is also a finance guy. We were talking about money, finance, and what else can we do together. So who knows what's going to happen next. For another 4 hours I'll be driving. Maybe 4.5. Don't worry, I'm taking you with me. Let's go. 4 hours in a car lets you sort of understand what is happening in the world. Actually, it was 4.5 hours in a car, and I was like thinking about my suits and about the business and about you know, the bow ties and pocket squares. Should I create more? Should I create different kind? Should I be just mass marketing things? Should I be spending more on ads? Should I be running more competitions? What should I be doing for you to start wearing my products? What is the one thing, what is the one reason why you haven't bought from me yet? What is the one thing that I'm missing? Tell me in the comments below.